going on? In this video, we are discussing eggs and mayonnaise and how effective it really is as a protein treatment. You guys requested this video, so I'm here to give you my cosmetic chemist perspective. But before we get started, as you guys know, I'm coming out with an ebook, The Curly Girl's Guide to Hair Care Ingredients, where I am breaking everything down for you. I'm all about making your life easier when it comes to your hair and purchasing products, so stay tuned for that. You want to sign up for the email to know when it launches. You can sign up below, and yeah, so let's get started. Now, first of all, eggs are made up of water, protein, lipids, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, just to name a few. All of those wonderful things that our hair loves and needs. Now, for those who have tried this treatment before and you like it, mainly it's because of the fact that eggs consist of a lot of lipids, a lot of fatty acids, specifically oleic acid. Now, oleic acid is responsible for making the hair softer, more manageable. It brings shine to the hair, and you'll see that a lot of oils like olive oil, avocado oil, sunflower oil consist of oleic acids. Now, I know when it comes to using mayonnaise and eggs in your hair, it has been like kind of downplayed a bit, like, oh, the proteins are too large, they don't penetrate into the hair, you know, and I think I made a video on that a while back. But here's the thing actually about eggs. They actually contain a fair amount of cysteine, which is an amazing amino acid for our hair, and cysteine consists of sulfur. And of course, our hair, being a protein, is made up of disulfide bonds. So cysteine actually has the ability to bind to our hair to strengthen the disulfide bonds, aka the protein, the strength of our hair, making it stronger. So I feel like there needs to be some more research to actually solidify the fact that if eggs can actually strengthen the hair. But based off the fact that there is a nice amount of cysteine and sulfur in eggs, I don't see why it could not actually penetrate into the hair and actually strengthen the hair, you know? So when it comes to eggs and mayonnaise, my whole thing is, it is an amazing conditioner. It's an amazing at-home conditioner. It's designed to bring slip to the hair, soften the hair, and also to smooth the cuticle down, which is actually what a conditioner is supposed to do. So that's it, guys. Super quick video. Any questions, of course, let me know. Of course, I love to hear from you. Be sure to subscribe and comment below, like this video, make sure notifications are on for more amazing videos like this. And I'll see you guys soon, all right? Bye.